Good evening, I'm Shameka Neely. The drought in Indiana is not only affecting farmers, it's also affecting food banks as well. WTIU's Lauren Glappa reports.
Local farmers often donate their surplus produce to food pantries, but because of the drought, there isn't much extra food to go around. Director of the Hoosier Hills Food Bank, Julio Alonso, says this year they've already had a hard time getting farmers to commit to donations of fresh foods.
A loss in food from any source is a loss that we notice because we're constantly struggling to increase the amount of food that we're getting out to these agencies.
A small percentage of the food bank's food comes from direct farmer donations, but Alonso says the local produce is some of the best quality that they get. Perry Township trustee Dan Combs oversees food aid programs like Mother Hubbard's Cupboard, a food pantry in Bloomington. He says the food pantries could also see a drop in donations from grocery stores as the cost of food goes up.
I'd anticipate that's going to happen everywhere, not just with produce, but with everything throughout the entire food chain process.
If food banks don't get the donations they need, they say they'll have to buy more food, which could cut into their operating budgets. For WTIU News, I'm Lauren Glappa.
30 counties across the state have mosquito pools that have tested positive for West Nile virus. 97 pools have been found across the state, according to the Indiana Department of Health. This high number of West Nile pools is unusual this early in the season compared to last July when only 3 positive pools appeared in the state. Morgan County officials found a pool on Monday that tested positive for the virus. Environmental health specialist Elizabeth Young says people don't need to be worried, but they should be precautionary and take precautionary measures. Several south central Indiana counties have reported positive tests for West Nile virus, including Bartholomew, Orange, Putnam, and Vigo counties. A look at your weather tonight: partly cloudy with a 40% chance of thunderstorms, lows in the lower 70s. Tomorrow, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain, highs around 101 with the heat advisory until 8.